A complete blood count is a blood test that is used to evaluate different aspects of health, like infections, by counting different features in the blood, the different types of white blood cells being one of them. Machines used for such a test, however, are too expensive for some of the less wealthy regions in the world. The HUCE Institute of the BFH has developed a chip that can create a video of white blood cells using a small blood sample and fluorescent dye. This could effectively cover one big aspect of the complete blood count test for just a fraction of the costs. The goal of this project was to use the video in a next step to count the different types of white blood cells by classifying. We do this by going through every frame. Each new blood cell that comes into view gets an ID. This ID is used for tracking, so the blood cells aren't counted multiple times. There are various values that are used in this tracking algorithm, like size, color, and expected flow direction. At the end, each tracked blood cell will have multiple versions of themselves that are unified in a next step. At last, the newly acquired data is visualized. And after choosing the most promising features, we can use a classifying method like Mahalanobis to label each blood cell, giving us the count of each type of cell. With this, we are one step closer to having a cheaper way to get a complete blood count, compared to currently used machines, and have also some powerful tools that can aid in future development.